Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel, I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So, let's begin. So today we are going to continue with our number series 176 to 180. So, let's start. 176 is pronounced in French as soixante-seize. Soixante-seize. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. 100 plus 60 plus 16 is equal to 176. So means 100, soixante means 60 and seize means 16. So soixante-seize 176. 177 is pronounced in French as soixante-dix-sept. Soixante-dix-sept. 178 is pronounced in French as soixante-dix-huit. Soixante-dix-huit. 179 is pronounced in French as soixante-dix-neuf. Soixante-dix-neuf. And finally, 180 is pronounced in French as 180. 100 means 100, 80 means 4 times 20, that is 80. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. So therefore, 180 is pronounced in French as 180. So let's revise these numbers one more time. 176 soixante-seize. 177 soixante-dix-sept. 178 soixante-dix-huit. 179 soixante-dix-neuf and 180 180. So to learn more about daily French expressions and vocabulary, you can watch the short videos of this channel. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.